As you know, America is celebrating 250 years this year, and Memphis Audio, well, we're over 60 years old. And for all you Memphis fans out there, or maybe some of you are new to Memphis, if you haven't been paying attention lately, we've come out with a ton of new products, new innovations, new patents. So I'm going to come at you with 5 reasons to give Memphis a hard look. Number 1, patented flex technology. What is flex technology? It's a patented technology exclusive to Memphis Audio that allows you to change your impedance of your subwoofer on the fly from 1 to 2, 2 to 4, or in the case of the new PRX subs, 1, 2, or 4 ohm. That allows you to take your subwoofer and match it to the amplifier regardless of the impedance the amplifier does its max power at. So even if you have a Memphis amplifier or another brand of amplifier, you always have the right sub to get the most power and match it perfectly. Number 2, solution-based product. In the last few years, we've come out with the most specific solution-based product than we've ever had before. With things like our new M series speaker that allow you to take a coaxial and easily turn it into a component and easily turn that into a 3-way with just a simple, inexpensive kit. On top of that, we have subwoofers in a million different sizes and power handling that allow you to fit them virtually anywhere, from a factory replacement to 4,000 watt system to underseat truck boxes that are the loudest and best in the business. In addition, we offer some awesome integration pieces for 2 channels, 6 channels, summing, DSP to work on virtually any vehicle. When it comes to solution-based, we have everything you need, even distribution blocks that no one else has that make wiring clean and take power exactly where you need it. Number 3, vehicle-specific enclosures. When it comes to vehicle-specific enclosures, we've started to build a pretty big name here at Memphis. If you've not heard a MOJO mini truck box, you really need to. We offer a wide variety of options for Ford, Chevy, old Dodge, and new Dodge, and a wedge box that fits in virtually any truck, whether that's a single cab, whether it's a quad cab, whether it's an old truck, a new truck. It even fits perfectly behind the seat of a Jeep, any third row SUV, 2-row SUV, honestly. And we also have a Bronco box that bolts right to the rear tailgate to bring the party to you, which has subs and Pro Audio built into it if you want to be the loudest Bronco on the block. So when it comes to vehicle-specific enclosures, we take that Memphis base and get it fit exactly where you need it in OEM locations. Number 4, new MOJO. When most people hear the word Memphis Audio, they think MOJO, and MOJO means loud, in-your-face bass. So when we designed the new MOJO subwoofers, we knew we had to use a new technology, but give a throwback to the retro styling and love of the old MOJO. So the new MOJO features amazing cosmetics with a bright orange basket, real carbon fiber dust cap, high roll surround, but then we threw in the giant motor. We're talking 2 to 3,000 watt RMS subwoofers that will make it hard to breathe when you have these in your trunk. So definitely got to look at the MOJO subwoofers that go from 8, 12, 15 in your face bass. Number 5, LED everything. If you haven't been paying attention to Memphis or watching my videos, then you're unaware that I'm basically a scientist. And because I'm a scientist, I've done a ton of research that proves that LEDs add 3 to 6 dB of output. You don't think that's possible? Well, just give it a look, because we have added LEDs to virtually everything, and we know you're going to think they're louder. There you have the top 5 reasons to give Memphis Audio a look. Innovation, patents, vehicle specific, easy integration. It's the best time ever to check out Memphis. So go do that at memphiscaraudio.com.